Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. This is Naturally DCS TV, and in today's video I'm going to give you an update of using rice water and aloe vera gel in my hair. Yes, I braided my hair 7 weeks ago, so I've been using the rice water and aloe vera to be spraying my braids every 2 days, and I did that for 6 weeks. Yes, 6 weeks. So this, what I have here is the growth so far that I have. Yes, this is it. There's no much dandruff and in built up yet. So, and this is my edges also doing very well. Yes. So now with this week I'm going to start using only aloe vera water or gel. I'll leave the link in the description box below down there. Then you also learn how to make your aloe vera. This is pure aloe vera without no water. Yes, there is no water added, only aloe vera. I extracted it from the plant. I'll leave the link in the description box below. And what I have here is my oil mix with hemp seed oil. Yes, I made a hemp seed oil myself. So that's what I have been trying for the past week since I stopped using the aloe vera and the rice water, using only the aloe vera gel in my hair. So what I do is, as you can see, I have a little bit of, so that's the growth so far. Yes, and I really appreciate it. So I'm going to show you how I do. So here's it. I make sure I spray it to all my scalp and the root of my hair. And also note that the best way to grow your hair is letting your hair to be in a protective style. Yes, as you can see, then massage your scalp through. Okay guys, so I think I am almost done with the spraying. So what I will do is make sure I will massage my scalp. Then I'll go ahead with my hemp seed oil with my oil mix. Yes, so I have this just only that's what I have. You make sure all So after I'm done, I'll just go ahead to massage my scalp. Now left with the edges, so that's what I'm going to do. Alright guys, so as you can see, there is no, my scalp is really moisturized, there is no dandruff or anything. Okay guys, so now if you come to the end of the video, please, if you are interested in such videos and more, please don't forget to subscribe, press the bell icon, and also give me a